Let's make DIY glitter ornaments that we're going to turn into Santa, reindeer, and elf cams. So I'm going to be using a clear plastic fillable ornament for this, as well as polycrylic. You'll want to use some fine glitter in your choice colors, plastic cup, you'll want a mini funnel, and you'll also want a syringe for the polycrylic, and I'm also going to use a bowl to catch my glitter. I'll be using a smart permanent vinyl here, but you can use other vinyls as well, and you'll need transfer tape, a weeding tool, and a Cricut scraper tool. I'm going to go ahead and get all of these designs cut out. You can find all of these Santa cam and elf cam and reindeer cam SVGs for free. They are linked below for you. They are part of the Abbi Collections Craft Vault. They're 100% free, so make sure you check that link out below and you go download these cute designs. Once you get these cut out, you're going to go ahead and weed them. Now, I do want to caution that when you go to cut these out, please make sure you're measuring your ornament and you're measuring your design carefully in Design Space or your cut software. We do want to make sure we're not scaling the design so large that it's going to end up really puckered and wrinkled on the surface of the ornament. To start, go ahead and grab your clear disposable plastic cup and your polycrylic. You also want to make sure you remove the lid from your plastic fillable ornament. You can get these in like a flat disc form or in a traditional round circle sphere. I'm going to be filling up my disposable syringe here with polycrylic. Now, my syringe is not a very big one, so I needed to put about 3 to 4 doses of the polycrylic inside of it. But if you're using a larger one, you could probably get away with 1 or 2. You just want to make sure you're able to coat the inside very well. So make sure you have that bowl or disposable cup on hand to be able to sort of, as you work the liquid towards the neck of the ornament, you have something to catch the excess that comes out. Now you do want to let this set upside down to drip for 1 to 2 minutes before you go to add the fine glitter in, so that's super important. Once it's dripped for 1 to 2 minutes, you can go ahead and grab your mini funnel and set that in the neck of the ornament, and you'll grab your fine glitter and you'll pour some in. You can do this in any colors. I just recommend that you do a fine glitter for best results. I have tested a more chunky glitter and it can work, but you're going to get the prettiest, most seamless results with a ultra fine glitter. I'm going to link the ones that I'm using below that I've tested with these and had the best results for. So just go ahead and use that funnel to get your glitter in there, and then you're going to want to take some time to just slowly start coating it, and it'll grab to that polycrylic that's in there, and you'll see that really pretty glitter effect start to take place. You can do this with any colors. You can see here I've got green and red, and it's lots of fun to make these in different colors. I made these many years ago, and I have more freebies linked below for another glitter ornament tutorial I did about 6 years ago, so make sure you check that out. Once you get towards the top of your ornament and you can't really spin it anymore, grab like a paper towel or something to hold the top of the ornament from the glitter falling out, and sort of shake it back and forth a few times and rotate it so that you can get the top of that ornament area coated properly, and then just dump out the rest of your excess glitter into your bowl. You'll also want to set this aside for at least an hour or 2 before you go to insert the top of the ornament back on. Okay, so I'm going to return here to my vinyl. I've already weeded this, and I've got a piece of transfer tape ready here, and I'm going to start layering this. So I'm going to teach you a hack of how to use something as simple as parchment paper to make your layering process a little bit easier. So I'm going to start by picking up the green part of the elf hat here. So we're going to do the elf cam here first. I'm going to burnish that with my Cricut scraper tool, and I'm going to burnish it on the front and the back for best results. And then I'm going to lift the liner away from the transfer tape. You may notice that my liner is kind of curling up on me here, so you can place that onto your cutting mat to sort of act as an extra set of hands to help you. And then I'm going to place the parchment paper in between the layers, and that's going to allow me to scoot it around until I'm happy with the placement, and then I'll just pull it out and let it fall into place. Super fun way to be able to get those layers to align nice and easily. I'll once again burnish this and flip it over and then remove the liner from the back side. Now to get this onto a curved surface, again, you want to make sure your design isn't too large, but if you go and cut slits all the way around the design, it's going to allow a lot more flexibility to that transfer tape to help the design conform to the more curved surface. And then I'm just using my fingers here to press that vinyl to the surface of the ornament and remove the transfer tape. If you still get a little bubble or a little wrinkle, don't worry, you can gently lift it up with your weeding tool and sort of just place it back down and press those little wrinkles and bubbles out. And then I'm going to add on my words here, elf cam. And with our other designs, we have reindeer cam and Santa cam as well. We also have one that says this house is under elf surveillance. So I'm going to go ahead and place this onto the front. the same way. I didn't add slits to this one because it was I could tell it was going to go on without any wrinkles, but if you happen to be scaling your words bigger than mine are here, you may want to cut those slits around the transfer tape as well. And then go ahead and remove that off. So look how cute this turned out. I absolutely love it. I'm going to do the same thing with this Santa one. So there is a Santa cam design, and this ornament here has finished drying, and I would just insert that ornament topper right back onto the top there. And then we could go ahead and get this applied exactly the same way. So I'm using that parchment paper again and those layers, and it makes it super easy to help me sort of shift and align, and then just burnish the entire thing with your Cricut scraper on the front and the back and lift the design away from the liner. Again, and you'll just rinse and repeat all of these steps for as many ornaments and designs as you would like to make. I'm also going to link my other Christmas ornament tutorial below. I have several for glitter ornaments and working with vinyl on ornaments, so I'm going to link all those below for you because they've been very popular over the years, and you'll see different sort of angles and techniques on how I do these with different designs and different ornaments. Remember, you can get all of these SVG files. They're completely free. I'm going to link each of them below. There's a full collection in the Craft Vault. There's a Elf and Santa Cam collection waiting on you, and these are all SVG cut files you can download to your computer or device, and you can place them onto your custom ornaments of choice. Here is our reindeer one. It's super cute with little reindeer antlers sticking out. If you struggle with the smart vinyl transfer tape, when you're trying to transfer the design from the liner to the transfer tape, make sure you have it flipped upside down and you're sort of press, crease, and roll the liner away. That will really help you get that to release. And of course, if you do not wish to use a smart vinyl, you can use a traditional vinyl as well. I would just highly recommend that it is a permanent one and not a removable. What do you think of these glitter ornaments with these Santa Cam, Reindeer Cam, and Elf Cam SVGs? Make sure you tell me below in the comments and subscribe for more tutorials like these. So in addition to these simple vinyl layer designs for our Santa, Elf, and Reindeer Cam, I also have another video up on my YouTube channel where we do a traditional sort of Santa Cam where it has that little lens that we add. So I have another video on that I'm going to link below for you. Remember to go and download these freebies that are linked below, and I will see you there, my friend. I'm Abby Kirsten, your friend in the pursuit of craftiness. Bye for now.